family, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Selena Zinchuk. This video is a video that you will want to watch from the beginning to the end. I'm using some amazing ingredients that is backed by research, trial tests. Some people started to see growth as early as 2 weeks, most especially if you are having any hair related issues or you just want to continue to boost your hair growth, then please keep on watching. Our first ingredient is 2 yellow onions. Researchers found that hair growth started after 2 weeks of using onion juice or onion oil, which was applied to the scalp twice daily. Almost 74% of participants had some hair regrowth after 4 weeks, and at 6 weeks, about 87% experienced hair regrowth. Using onions on your scalp on a regular basis will effectively prevent and treat baldness. Onion oil is rich in sulfur, which prevents breakage, split ends, and thinning of your hair. It nourishes your scalp and improves the blood circulation, thus ensuring thicker and stronger hair growth. Onion oil contains antioxidants that help optimize the hair growth cycle and prevent hair fall. It nourishes the hair follicles and helps restore lost nutrients to your scalp to promote hair growth. It is packed with potent antibacterial properties that help fight scalp infections. It reverses the effects of premature graying. It maintains the pH level of your hair and scalp. It improves the blood circulation in your scalp, ensuring thicker and stronger hair growth. We will be adding in 1 cup of coconut oil. Coconut oil stimulates hair growth. It is a natural way to help your hair grow longer, thicker, and faster. The vitamins and essential fatty acids naturally found in coconut oil nourishes the scalp and help to remove sebum buildup from your hair follicles. I know a lot of people have problems with coconut oil. If you fall within that group, then I will recommend substituting it with olive oil or grapeseed oil. Our second oil is sunflower oil. We are also using 1/2 cup of that. Sunflower oil stimulates hair growth. Moisture is the key to natural hair growth. Sunflower oil acts as a natural moisturizer because it's infused with several vitamins and minerals, including high levels of vitamin E that protects healthy hair growth. Our next oil is castor oil. We are also using 1/2 cup of that. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, a type of fatty acid found to fight inflammation when applied to the scalp. It enhances the health of the hair follicles and in turn promote hair growth as well as protect hair against hair loss. I have a whole video on Horsetail herb. I will leave that video down in the description box for you. But this is an old herb which have been used for centuries for so many things, including hair growth. Horsetail herb is high in silica content. It is also useful when trying to stimulate hair growth. The herb rejuvenates your hair, adding shine to your appearance and strength to the hair shaft. It also contains selenium, cysteine, which I know to promote healthy hair growth. I also have a whole video on black seed oil, all the benefits that it helps with health issues and hair growth. I will leave it down in the description box for you. But I am using black seed, which is also known as black cumin seed or Nigella sativa. It naturally restores hair growth in thinning areas thanks to its high concentration of thymoquinone, a powerful antihistamine. Antihistamines are often prescribed to alopecia patients to help regrow hair. This ingredient reduces inflammation, stimulates hair growth, and reduces flakiness and sensitivity. Even if you do not have any scalp conditions, it helps to make the hair healthy, soft, hydrated, shining with consistency. There are two ways that I love to infuse my growth oils. Either infusing it without any heat, just leave it to infuse for a couple of weeks, or the faster way is using the double border method. So I will be showing you guys the double border method in this video. You can also do this on your stove if you don't have a crock pot. You can leave this oil to slowly infuse in the heat for 12 hours or more until you see that the color of your onions and your ingredient change to this dark color. And if you see that you don't have any trace of water anymore, then that means your oil is ready. As you can see, it's only plain oil now. You can now turn your stove off. Take your oil out of the water. Make sure that it does not come in contact with any water. Dry it completely and put it down. Let it cool down so you don't burn yourself. Once you know that your oil is now cool, you can go in and strain your oil so that you can separate your growth oil from your particles. You can find this stocking from Amazon. I will also leave my Amazon store link down in the description box for you. And you can also find majority of all of my ingredients in my Amazon store. I'm now going in with rosemary essential oil. According to one study, rosemary oil performs as well as minoxidil, a common hair growth treatment, so I love to use it in my DIYs. Peppermint oil increases circulation to the scalp, which helps to promote hair growth. It prolongs the anagen or growing phase. One study found that peppermint oil increased the number of follicles and overall hair growth. I'm adding in 1 teaspoon of saw palmetto powder. This treatment has been known to be among the top 5 DHT blocker, which caffeine, pumpkin seed oil is also part of it. So I would recommend that you do your research into saw palmetto because it blocks the 5-alpha reductase, which lowering your DHT. For those of you who haven't heard the term DHT, it is a hormone that is responsible for hair loss in both male and female. I guess you are now wondering how to use this powerful growth oil. Now, if you are someone who outside America and does not have access to my Secrets growth oil and my caffeine growth oil, this is a great alternative for you. Even if you have my growth oil, for you to make my oil to last, you can also use this oil along with my growth oil. As the smell of onions is very strong, and I know most of you guys will have a problem with that, I will encourage you to add more essential oil into it to match the smell. You can also apply this oil overnight, give yourself a good scalp massage, and rinse it out the next morning. You can also use this as a hot oil treatment. Apply it to your scalp, Leave it on for an hour or two and then go in with your moisturizing shampoo. If you want to see maximum results from this oil, I will encourage you to use it for at least 3 to 6 months, and I promise you will see a huge difference in your hair health and your hair growth. All of my recipes are backed by extensive research, and it's also from me trying those ingredients physically on myself. So please help me reach to 100K subscribers. I'm fighting to reach to 100K by the end of the year. And I know with your help and you sharing my videos with your friends and loved ones, it will help me get there. And please also follow my business page on Instagram and also my personal page on Instagram. If you love this video, can you please give me a like? It will help my video in the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to our family and leave a comment down below. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.